Next question is example number 2. So this is solved example in the textbook. Here I am just explaining it. You try to understand. Find each of the following products. This is negative 18 into negative 10 into 9. You can do this multiplication first or this first multiplication first. So we will do this. 18 tens are 180. So this is equal to 180. Negative into negative is positive, so we will get positive 180 multiplied by 9. Now 18 nines are 162, this 0 as it is. So 9 zeros are 0 and 9 eights are 72, 7 carries, 9 ones are 9 plus 7 is 16. So you will get 1620. Now let us understand the second question. Negative 20 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 5 multiplied by 7. Please try to understand. If we multiply these first, we will get a round figure. That is easy to calculate. Now, so I will be doing this operation first. We have already studied that multiplication can be done in any sequence. So please understand this. I am doing this operation first. You can do any operation first. Even if you do this first or this first, answer will not change. Let us solve. So this is equal to negative 20 multiplied by 5 2s are 10 and negative into negative is positive. So this will be 10 multiplied by 7. Now this is equal to 7 tens are, I am going to do this operation. So this will be negative 20 multiplied by 7 tens are 70. This is equal to, now we know that 7 2s are 14 and 2 zeros as it is. This minus into plus is minus. Please understand. So I have reduced the probability of making the mistake if you solve in this sequence. Now let us solve the next question. Negative 1 into negative 5 into negative 4 into negative 6. So this is equal to, please note, 4 integers are negative. Hence our solution or our answer, last answer will be positive. This negative 1 into negative 5. 5 ones are 5 and negative into negative is positive. So this is plus 5 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 6. Now we are going to do this operation first. This is equal to 5 4s are 20, positive into negative is negative multiplied by negative 6. Now this is equal to 6 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12, negative into negative is positive. So answer is 120. Dear friends, next third question. Actually this is also again a solved example in the textbook. Example number 3. I am just trying to explain it. Verify negative 30 into 13 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 30 into 13 plus negative 30 into negative 3. So we are told that we have to verify this left hand side is equal to this our right hand side. So let us see what is LHS. LHS means left hand side. Solution. Here in the given question, left hand side is equal to minus 30 multiplied by 13 plus negative 3. So we already know that bracket must be solved first. So this will be negative 30 multiplied by 13 plus into minus becomes minus 13 minus 3 is, this is equal to negative 30 multiplied by 10. 13 minus 3 is 10 and 3 tens are 30, 1 0 as it is, or we can say 30 tens are 300. So this is equal to negative 300. Now let us check what is RHS, that is right hand side of the question asked. Right hand side is negative 30 multiplied by 13 plus negative 30 multiplied by negative 3. So this is equal to 13 threes are 39. So this is equal to minus 390. 13 zeros are 0, 13 threes are 39, plus into minus is negative. Plus, now this is 3 threes are 9, or you can say 30 threes are 90, and minus into minus becomes plus. So this is equal to plus. Now negative 390 plus 90, this is equal, they are having opposite operation. Please note this is addition and subtraction. Since the signs are opposite, we do the subtraction. 390 minus 90 is 300 and give the sign of bigger magnitude integer, that is negative. So answer is negative 300. So you can understand that whether you solve like this or whether you solve like this, answer remains same. Thus, the given question, negative 30 into 13 plus 13 multiply, sorry 13 plus 13 plus minus 3 is equal to negative 30 multiplied by 13 plus negative 30 multiplied by negative 3 is verified. Is verified. Fourth question is, this is also a solved example. Let us try to understand. In a class test containing 50 questions. So class test contains 50 questions. So total number of questions are 15. Total questions 15. Now 4 marks are given for every correct answer. So correct answer is allotted. Correct answer is allotted with 4 marks. Is allotted 4 marks. And negative 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. For incorrect answer, marks allotted for incorrect answer. Incorrect answer are is equal to negative 2. Gurpreet attempts all questions. So Gurpreet attempts all the questions means she had attempted 15 questions, but only 9 of her answers are correct. So out of the 15, 9 are correct. It means 15 minus 9, that is 6 are her wrong answers. So what will be her total score? Let us try to calculate. So marks she got, marks received by Gurpreet for correct answer. Marks received by Gurpreet for correct answers. For correct answers is equal to, she got 9 correct answers, so it will be 9 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 36. Now other questions, so her 6 questions were wrong, so marks lost in incorrect answers. Incorrect answers is equal to, please note, negative 2 marks are allotted for every incorrect answer, and her incorrect answers are 15 minus 9, that is 6. So marks are she lost is 6 2s are 12, minus into plus is negative. So she got negative 12 marks for incorrect answer. So total marks she got is equal to, so marks received by Gurpreet. Thus, marks received by Gurpreet is equal to 36 plus negative 12. Plus into minus is minus, so 36 minus 12, it will be 24. Now see, next asked to us is, one of our friend gets only 5 correct answers. So one of our friend got only 5 correct answers means out of the 15 questions, 10 answers were wrong. So this will be marks received by her friend for correct answer. Every correct answer get 4 marks, and her 5 answers are correct, so she will get 4 into 5, that is equal to 20 marks for the correct answer. But she will lose some marks for incorrect answer. Now marks lost. Marks received for incorrect answer. Incorrect answers are 10, and she gets negative 2 marks for every incorrect answer. So this will be minus 2 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 2 tens are 20, and minus into plus is minus. So she will get negative 20 marks for every total incorrect answer. She will get negative 20 marks total for incorrect answers. So total marks she got is positive 20 plus negative 20. Now plus into minus is minus, so 20 minus 20 is 0. So her friend received 0 marks. Fifth short example in the textbook, I am trying to explain you. Try to understand. Suppose we represent a distance above the ground by a positive integer. Imagine that this is a ground level, and above above the ground level. Suppose we represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer. So this is ground level, and above it is represented by a positive integer, means it will be +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on. And below the ground by a negative integer. This negative below the ground is represented by a negative integer. So this can be -1, -2 in that way. Now answer the following question. An elevator descends into the mine. It is just like a lift that goes into the well. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at a rate of 5 meter per minute. Now it is descending, means it is going from the ground level into the depth, into the well, into the mine. So it is per minute will be -5. Try to understand this. An elevator descends into mine shaft at a rate of 5 meter per minute. Since it is going below the ground, it will be -5 meters. So elevator descends. Solution. We are given an elevator descends into mine, rate of descending of an elevator is equal to 5 meters per minute. 5 meters per minute. Try to understand this per minute. Per minute means every minute it goes 5 meter down. Now 5 meter down, since it is going 5 meter down, it is represented by a -5 meter per minute. Please understand this per can be written in this way also, slash. Now 5 meter per minute, what will be its position after 1 hour? 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And every minute it goes 5 meter down, that is -5 meters. So final position after 1 hour, position after 1 hour, 1 hour is equal to -5 multiplied by 60 minutes. Minutes, this is meter per minutes and this is meter, so you will get -5 into 60 meters. So this is equal to, try to understand, this is a negative integer, this is a positive integer. So 5 6 5 are 30 and this 0 I am writing as it is. Positive into negative is negative. So elevator will be, final position will be at -300 meters, that is it will be below the ground level, -300 meters. Now see, second part of question is, if it begins to descend from 15 meter above the ground. So understand, this is the ground level, and if it starts going down from 15 meter, this is 15 meter, if this distance is 15 meter above the ground, from this position it tries to go downside. What will be its final position after 45 minutes? We know the rate of descending is -5 meters per minute. So after 45 minutes, position after 45 minutes is equal to -5 multiplied by 45, that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2 carries, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. This elevator will go -225 meter down, but it has started from 15 meter above the ground. So total distance covered will be, so final position of elevator is equal to, it has started from 15 meter minus 225 meters. So that is equal to 210 meters. Please try to understand, positive into negative is negative, or you can say one integer is positive, one integer is negative. So we have to do the subtraction, give the sign of bigger magnitude integer. So this will be -210 meters. Please note, I have made this change. Change in position, because it has started from 15 meters, so that is not the final position. So change in position after 45 minutes is minus 5 into 45, that will be negative to 225 meters, and final position will be plus 15, since it has started 15 meters above the ground and it has covered 225 meters downside. So final position will be 15 plus 15 minus 225, that is equal to negative 210. So thus final position is 210 meters below the ground.